So I'm working on this. It's one of those Jazzy electric wheelchairs. And it keeps turning on and off, it won't move. There was some damage to the wire, so I want to do a continuity test to the inside, make sure the wire is okay. So you come to go to take the bottom off, and it uses these these are torque screws. So you gotta have a kit. And that's the one you use right there. Fits in here. Okay, so you get the one out of there. But then these are deep. This isn't going in there. You're not gonna get that in there. If you get that in there, if you even squeeze that, you can't even squeeze that in. You'd have to drill a hole out. And that's, if you do that, then you're gonna break the tube, the tower, and so they really stick you so you can't take this apart. So what I'm doing is I got these small screwdrivers. You get one that fits in between. I got that screw out the top. Now I'm gonna get this one out. If I can't get this screw out, and I'm gonna tell you, see, it snagged it, but you can't turn this. So you gotta take a pair of pliers, push, and spin with your other hand. If I can't get this one out, I gotta drill it out. I'm not going crazy trying to order tools, wait for a week or two for tools to come. Oh, they do make it in there. I got it apart, and I have the part of the wire that had been damaged, but one continuity test I moved this around and I'm not finding any breaks. Everything is connecting. So if everything is okay in this, then the computer is bad. And that's another headache. So I gotta figure out what I can do with that. Find anything wrong with this, which I was really hoping to, at least with that. Since this was scraped, figured one of these was broken, but I can't find any breaks. They look solid. I can't find any breaks in the line. I didn't get continuity from that red and that yellow. I don't know if that makes a difference. I don't know how this works. I got continuity from the ground. But this is for the switch. It's for the speed switch, so I'm not exactly sure how that works. And I'm telling you, when I'm busy fixing stuff, my phone's it just goes off all day. I need to find time to do this, and I found time right now to do this. And again, everybody wants to call me today. I just don't have the time to yip on the phone. Well, I got distracted, but I don't find anything wrong with this. This is the computer for the Jazzy. Problem with the unit is it just doesn't go. It's stuck. Light keeps blinking, and there's a code. Code says it's this. I believe that this might be burnt out inside somewhere. I'm not getting any continuity from these two, but this is that type of a switch that is a speed type switch, so I can't really tell, and that might not even make a difference. Could be this switch could be bad. What I did find out is this negative plug in here for the charger port was pushed all the way in, which then you would not get a charge. And it did, the batteries were charged, but I wonder, there's 3 plugs in there. One was this one right here, was all the way back here. How did that happen? So I put it back into place and I sealed it. Try to keep it from moving. That's all I can do. Otherwise, I gotta buy this new. Okay, so this is a program revision G. Don't know what that means. That's what it is. It's a computer. These things range in all kinds of prices. I gotta put this back together now.